Today, we will work on this extremely educational trading practice. It will help us to learn how to trade ongoing momentum. Of course, our best trading view indicator will help us to point out great entry locations. If you are ready, here we start. We had a beautiful setup with Nasdaq today right around the New York Open. As you already know, we have a very simple trading momentum scalping technique, and we focus on our beloved ICT high time frame candles indicator. By using this indicator, I can spot early rally starts and entry locations. So this is not a buy or sell indicator. It's just only helping me point out great trade locations. As you can see right here, we have this multi-level imbalance area. Price rallies and pulls back into 30 and 45-minute imbalances. I know that this could be a great location for a rally start, an early start point to look for entries. If you check out 1 and 2 hour time frames, you will also notice full momentum imbalances. What are all these imbalances telling me? It tells me that buyers are in control here. Remember, in these crazy markets, buyers and sellers can change hands very quickly every day, even every hour. So, if you open the 1 minute time frame on the left side, you will notice the exact point of where the pullback happened. So, this is the price location that I will start seeking entries from, because I know that this could be a great rally point to start. Now, we zoom in the area. Let's talk further. It is also an inner small support and resistance flip location in a sense. You can also see the forming liquidity upside, classic smart money tactics that I teach in the masterclass. Okay, as you can see, structure shifts here. But the small pullback is very weak into this micro imbalance. Catching the trade right at this imbalance will be extremely hard for many people. After all, this is just a 1 minute chart. Things happen extremely quickly. So what can you do here? So the best approach is jumping into trade at some point. This will give you a 1 hour trade chance, not great at all. One-to-one trades are actually not really beneficial. But what can you do is take the 50% profit at your main target and let the rest of the trade run. This trade will not make you rich, I'll be honest, but at least it will make you some cash. So, what really happened here in this classic price action? First, we noticed that Nasdaq was in a rally today. It created this lovely multi-level imbalance point. We acknowledged that the area as a possible rally ignition zone, and we started to seek entries. Rest is simple structure observing. As you know, we do not jump the trades. We wait for an inner structure shift to take the trade. Classic smart money and price action tactics. Okay folks, a great video ends here. See you in the next video. Please take care for now. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you